Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the wing nuts.
Turn this counterclockwise to remove it.
Considering the amount of effort required to access the bulb assembly, we recommend replacing both sides at once. Remove the rivets. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener. Remove the cover by prying it off.
Remove the next cover. There are 2 bolts that need to be removed.
Remove the Torx bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
Remove the last bolt.
Now what I would do, I would start on here on one side, and I'm just going to kind of get this in here, and you can see I kind of just pried it kind of up like that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we're just going to take this housing out, guys.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down just so that I can disconnect this housing here.
Press the tab and pull the connector to remove it. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Reconnect the housing. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb.
And then you will want to open back up to kind of put it in there.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the wing nuts.
Turn this clockwise to replace it.
Replace the rivets. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Replace the Torx bolt by turning it clockwise. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place. Replace the Torx bolt by turning it clockwise. Replace the cover.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.